You ever spent hours practicing scales or chords or songs only to feel like you're not getting any better? Like you're just checking off a to-do list but still fumbling through your favorite songs? Like if that sounds familiar, you're not alone. And today, we're diving into why that happens and how to fix it. Hey guitar nerds! Welcome back to Simple Guitar. My name's Brad. And if you're an adult picking up the guitar later in life or trying to get unstuck, you know that time is precious. You don't want to waste it on practice that doesn't move the needle. So let's tackle the big question. Is what you're learning and practicing actually helping you become a better guitar player? Or is it just keeping you busy with no real results? This is something I see all the time with students in my online community and in my coaching program, which if you want to join my coaching program or my online community, you can go to simpleguitar.com/apply and take the first step there. Now, first things first, we have to spot the problem with your practice. So first off, let's identify if you're stuck in the busy work trap. So this is when you're doing stuff that feels productive, but isn't building real skills. For example, you could just be running through endless scales, but not applying them to songs, right? Sure, your fingers are moving, but can you actually improvise a solo or actually just use your scales musically? Can you play a melody? Or maybe you're memorizing chord shapes, but never actually transitioning smoothly between them in time with a beat, you know, like in real music. Or you're watching video after video trying to learn new stuff and get more information about playing guitar without actually picking up your guitar to try it out yourself. If your practice sessions end with you thinking, well, I put in the time, but you don't actually see improvement in playing actual music, then it's time to rethink things. As adult learners, we often fall into this because we're used to structured routines from work or life, but guitar isn't about logging hours. It's about meaningful practice. That's hard when it's popular to hear, you know, put 10,000 hours in, but it has to be 10,000 hours of deliberate practice. Tired of sloppy chord changes and feeling like a perpetual beginner? You don't have to be. Join a simple, personalized coaching program with me today at simpleguitar.com/apply. Now let's get back into it. So how do you turn busy work into breakthroughs? So here are some of my top practice tips for adult beginners. 1, set clear, playable goals. Don't just say practice chords. Aim for something specific, like play the G to C chord change cleanly at 60 beats per minute without looking, and use a metronome, right? Get a free metronome app. It helps keep you honest. Number 2, focus on application. Whatever you learn, apply it immediately. Learned a new scale? Jam with a backing track. Got a new chord? Make sure that you're either using it to write your own music or make sure you're using it in a real song, right? That builds muscle memory and musicality, not just rote repetition. Number 3, this is my favorite, depth over breadth. Okay, go deeper on fewer items instead of spreading yourself thin. For instance, rather than practicing 10 different things with just a little bit of time on each, focus on mastering 3 or 4 things with way more repetitions. You're going to get deeper work done, building stronger habits, and seeing faster progress than if you're juggling too many things and only scratching the surface with them. Number 4, quality over quantity. As busy adults, 20 minutes of focused practice beats an hour of mindless strumming. Use techniques like deliberate practice, slow down tricky parts, repeat things until they're perfect, then speed up. I would rather that you spend 20 minutes working on one thing than working on 20 things for 1 minute each. Number 5, track your wins. Keep a practice journal. Note what you worked on and how it felt, okay? Record yourself weekly playing the same riff or song, and you're going to notice a difference and help stay motivated that way. And number 6, mix it up. Avoid burnout by blending theory, technique, and fun, right? Don't just be doing boring, mindless exercises. Make sure that you're applying things to your guitar. Make sure that you're working on your weaknesses, and make sure that you're having fun. Spend time on songs that you love, because that's what keeps you coming back. And that's why most of us start playing in the first place. We don't want to be able to just play with a metronome. We want to play for people. We want to be able to play actual music. Remember, becoming a better guitar player isn't about how much you practice. It's about practicing smart. It's about how much you get out of your practice. After every practice session, ask yourself these 3 questions, okay? 1, is this helping me actually become a better guitar player, or am I just doing a checklist? Focus on getting those results. Focus on becoming a better guitar player. Number 2, am I going deep or am I going wide? That one is my favorite. And number 3, is this helping me play actual music? Okay. If you've been at this for 2 or 3 years and you can't play a full song, you need to rethink your priorities, because you need to be playing songs rather than working on the components to play a song. So take a look at your practice routine today, tweak it with these tips, and you're going to see some real results. If this resonated with you, hit the like button, subscribe, all that fun stuff. But let me know down in the comments what's one thing that you're changing in your practice to make it even better. And if this was helpful for you, remember, it doesn't have to stop right here. You can join my coaching program where everything is simple, it's personalized exactly to you, and it's focused on getting you out of feeling like a perpetual beginner. So if you want to get started with that, go to simpleguitar.com/apply so that we can start working together to help you become a more confident guitar player, one who's proud of what you hear whenever you play. Thanks for watching today. Hope this was helpful for you, and I will see you over in this next video.